Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty by Anity, and today we're going to be doing this nice, gorgeous summer look. This is more of a soft glam with a pop of color. I love this look and I love how it turned out. So first things first, we're going to be using shades from the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, the 40 color palette. This is a really good, versatile palette. You can really use this palette and really work your magic into this palette and create it onto your eyes. It's that good. So I'm taking the green from the palette and I'm starting from the outer V and I am working my way into the crease. And now I'm going to be taking the peach from the BH Cosmetics. This is the Maccroon palette, and I don't even know if I'm saying it correctly, but it's the Maccroon Sunset palette, and I'm going to be applying it to the first beginning of the crease. Like, I normally will apply the green all the way to the outer V, but I'm just going to half and half the shades. Once I added both of the shades, I'm going to be taking the brush and I'm going to be going back and forth and blending out the shades. And now I'm going to be taking the LA Colors concealer and I'm going to be applying it to the crease. Now this concealer is a very, very neutral tone, so I really like neutral tone concealers, if I can get it out right. Neutral tone concealers, they're really, really great and I really like it. After that, I'm going to be taking the brown shade. I'm going to be applying it to the outer V, and also make sure that it's going to give an ombre effect. And then after that, I am going to be reapplying colors and also blending out harsh lines, because you know how I feel about those harsh lines. We cannot have them. And also, you guys, I started a brand channel for my brand. It's RC Beauty, but really Khol Cosmetics Beauty. So if you will check the description box, please subscribe, because I will be posting the intro to the brand, everything, the introduction. I have 2 little videos up already on there, so, but the big video is going to be up on that channel soon. So please go subscribe to RC Beauty, and it'll be linked below. Now I'm going to be applying some lashes. I'm going to be taking my favorite lashes, which is LA Girl, LA Colors Cosmetics lashes, and Diva. I can't tell right now. So Diva is what I'm applying to the lashes. I wear these lashes almost every single time I am doing a makeup look. So even without me doing the makeup look, this is the lashes that I am wearing. So after I apply the Diva lashes from LA Colors, that should complete the look. Well, everyone, this should complete the look. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, and also check out RC Beauty and all of my other channels. Link below. And I gotta go, and I will chat with you soon.